Whissel widget of the week, something we utilize in our business, saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun.
This one has been a big saver for us. Obviously, we do a lot with cameras, we do photos, we do videos. What a big stress point for me is always, do I have enough battery for it? Do I have enough charge for it? And we've been doing things where we have a camera set up on a tripod and does its own kind of selfie booth type thing, and where we have to have the camera charged for 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 hours sometimes. And so having a bunch of batteries, and if I'm not there, having someone to say, okay, take this battery out, put it in, and it causes a lot of stress. So one of the things we did is we actually have it's called like a dummy battery. I think on Amazon for this one, it was called a DC coupler replace of whatever battery. But if you type in like a dummy battery for your Sony A7S or dummy battery for Canon EOS R5, you'll find them. They're usually under $40 or under. I think this one we got was for $15. And what it'll allow you to do is they'll put the battery into the camera, and then it'll have a cord coming out that you plug into a USB or usually like a wall charger. And now you can have your battery or your camera charged as long as you have power to that outlet. Now, obviously, you're not going to be walking around with the camera, but we use this on our media days. We use this, like I said, when we do our photo booths. We're using it literally right now as we're filming our YouTube segment for the podcast. So that way we don't have to worry about, oh shit, the battery's not charged and we got to do it. So just look at dummy battery for X camera, or take out one of the batteries and it's, LPE6, dummy battery for LPE6. And you'll find them on Amazon really easy.
Cool. The one I got, this is just a fun one. Somebody did this on my birthday. I thought it was really cool. And so I've stolen this idea, this app. You can take a picture of somebody's face and it will somehow magically make their like head and their mouth move like they're singing, and you can like have music go to it, and it's just it's really good but really creepy at the same time.
Is it like a Jib Jab?
It's kind of like Jib Jab on crack. It's like Jib Jab meets AI. Like, it's terrifying how good it is, and it will just take a still image of somebody's face and you can just make them sing whatever song you want. It's really fun to play with, but it's just something like you want to send random stuff for like people's birthdays, or just to like get somebody's attention, is you could take an image of their face, just go on like their Facebook or Insta, take their profile photo, throw it into this app, and then get them to sing a song, and I guarantee you're going to get a response from them. So the name of the app is Revive, Revive. It is wild. It trips me out.
Is it free or does it?
There's a paid version. It doesn't do much for free. They really want you to pay for it, but it is wild. It's a pretty cool app. I'll share one with you after. Here, I'll just play this one. It's a trip. So if you want, it is
That's funny.
Totally wild. Check out the app Revive.
Cool.
All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the show today. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty here in San Diego.
And I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.